Hi, I'm Ken Krell. Speakers, authors, coaches, thought leaders come to me to discover how they can take their current position and turn it into high-powered, high-profit, transformational digital events. I can do the same for you too. You're about to watch an excerpt of one of our online events that I think you may find very powerful. After that, I'll meet you and we'll talk about it. It will get you to do things you probably never expected you'd want to do. Lisa Kirkwood, you're on the air. Welcome. How you doing?
Thank you for having me, Ken. I am doing great, and I enjoy being on your show. So my biggest, one of my biggest gifts to share with the world is the power of the word. I am a self-labeled wordsmith because I noticed from an early age that not only would I create compelling stories that people would listen to very engaged, but later on I was able to put that in text and written messages and essays and even books that would connect with large audiences on the deepest level. So now I am a motivational speaker and a trainer for diversity and inclusion. So I'm taking the power of the words out there to the masses.
You're making me laugh because you haven't given me a chance to even ask you a first question. It's just, I can tell you, you love to use the words. So tell me, what is the secret sauce? What is it that you teach people to do that can make an impact in the world?
Through the power of words, either spoken or written, people can connect, first of all, with themselves and then with each other. From small groups of people to large groups of people, there's a way that people respond to the power of the word and what you're trying to convey in a message to the masses. So this is what I teach, and that's my one of my gifts.
Is there a tip that you could kind of give us today that we can implement right away?
Yes, speak from the heart. Try to make yourself sound too fancy or too polished. It's not going to come across as genuine. When you speak from the heart, then you will project your true self out there, and a lot of people will identify with your true emotions because they either have experienced something similar or they're about to experience it or want to avoid it, depending on which side you are.
What if you're scared?
If you're scared, there are ways to tame your fears as well. It's just, there are techniques and tips and tools, but my message operates from a place of non-fear. So I try to encourage people to tap into the courage, not the fear.
Makes sense. I tell people to go to the bathroom first, and that takes away a lot of those urges. So
yes, that's true.
We're running tight on time, and I'd love to have you back for more. Would you good with coming back?
Yes, absolutely. Anytime. Thank you.
All right. Awesome. So how do they learn more about you and what you can do for them?
I'll put the contact information in the show notes so people can reach me directly.
Awesome. Cool. Lisa Kirkwood, you are awesome. Thanks for joining us today. So that's one short taste of how you can use the power of digital events to help people transform their lives and find a new way to live. Want to learn how you can put it to use in your own business? Well, stick with me for the Digital Events Essentials Plan. It's called DEEP. It'll take you through how you can plan, produce, and profit from your own online events. It's pretty great, it's pretty free, and I think you'll like it pretty much. So come join me. Click the link either in the description below or somewhere on this video itself, and we'll take you over there. It's completely free. I think you're going to love it, and it will give you the plan you need to plan, produce, and profit from your own digital events.